Number 1. 1981 Chevrolet Camaro Project, $2,300, Westminster, Colorado. This 1981 Chevrolet Camaro is a late second-generation project car equipped with a 6-cylinder engine, automatic transmission, and rear-wheel drive. The engine runs well, but the car is not drivable due to a failed transmission. The interior was removed for new carpet installation, and all parts are included for reassembly. The headliner has already been replaced, and rust is minimal, limited to a quarter-sized hole in the passenger side floor pan. It carries a clean title, though the odometer has rolled over. Offered at an affordable price, this Camaro is a solid entry-level restoration project. Number 2. 1974 Lincoln Continental Mark IV, $2,000, Clearlake, California. This 1974 Lincoln Continental Mark IV is a classic personal luxury coupe with an automatic transmission. It runs and drives but has not been used regularly in several years and should be transported by trailer. The odometer shows 50,585 miles, and the car has a clean title with current registration. Owned by the same family since 1997, it offers originality and strong restoration potential at a budget-friendly price. Number 3. 1986 Pontiac Fiero, $3,000, Des Moines, Iowa. This 1986 Pontiac Fiero is a mid-engine sports coupe finished in yellow. It is powered by a 6-cylinder engine paired with an automatic transmission. The odometer shows 69,058 miles, and both the engine and transmission are reported to operate well. With a clean title and good overall condition, this Fiero offers affordable entry into classic sports car ownership. Number 4. 1966 Buick Rivera, $4,000, Powell, Butte, Oregon. This 1966 Buick Rivera is a desirable personal luxury coupe equipped with a 455 cubic inch Buick V8 and automatic transmission. The odometer shows 29,760 miles, and the car has not run in several years. It is a clear restoration project, but comes with a clean title. With its iconic styling, this Riviera provides a strong foundation for a full rebuild. Number 5. 1954 Lincoln Capri, $4,950, Scottsdale, Arizona. This rare 1954 Lincoln Capri two-door hardtop is powered by a 317 cubic inch V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. It features power windows and a power seat and has been parked since 1998. The car is complete, rust-free, and carries a clean Arizona title. Showing 100,000 miles, it is an excellent candidate for restoration or preservation. Number 6. 1980 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme. $24,000. Hudson, Wisconsin. This 1980 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme Coupe is an exceptionally well-preserved example showing just 40,000 miles. It is powered by a 260 cubic inch V8 with an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive. Features include cold air conditioning, tilt steering, cruise control, and new tires. The condition is described as near new, though the title is listed as having a lien. Number 7. 1974 Cadillac Coupe Deville, $21,500, Langley, British Columbia. This 1974 Cadillac Coupe Deville is finished in electric orange with a black interior and powered by the massive 500 cubic inch V8 engine. Showing 41,000 miles, it is equipped with power seats, working air conditioning, new exhaust, refreshed cooling components, and professionally polished trim. The high-quality repaint was completed in 2019, making this Cadillac fully ready to drive and enjoy. Number 8. 1981 Chevrolet Camaro Z28, $25,000, North Richland Hills, Texas. This 1981 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 is powered by a V8 engine with an automatic transmission and shows 148,100 miles. Finished in brown and described as being in good condition, it carries a clean title. Several previously reported issues have been addressed, making this Z28 a solid classic performance driver. Number 9. 1971 Volkswagen Baja Bug, $22,500, Bakersfield, California. This 1971 Volkswagen Baja Bug has been fully rebuilt and is in excellent condition with only 500 miles since completion. It features a rebuilt 1776 engine, manual transmission, and extensive new components throughout. Upgrades include custom gauges, polished wheels, a new interior, and documented restoration work. With a clean title, this Baja Bug is fully sorted and road ready. Number 10. 1965 Plymouth Satellite Comando Convertible, $25,000, Forest Grove, Oregon. This 1965 Plymouth Satellite Commando Convertible is finished in white with blue and red pinstriping. Always garage kept, it shows 41,700 miles and runs well with an automatic transmission. Listed in good condition, this convertible offers strong collector appeal and classic Mopar styling. Number 11. 1985 Nissan 300ZX T-Top, $950, Albuquerque, New Mexico. This 1985 Nissan 300ZX T-Top is offered as a non-running project car. The engine turns over, but does not run. The odometer is inoperative, and the title is missing. The body shows evidence of past repairs and damage. Despite its condition, the desirable T-top configuration makes it valuable as a restoration project or parts car. Number 12. 1970 Chevrolet El Camino SS, $22,750, Colfax, California. This 1970 Chevrolet El Camino SS is powered by a big block 396 cubic inch V8 paired with an automatic transmission. It runs and drives well and features fresh high-quality paint in a dark purple-blue finish. While the interior shows age, the body is solid with no known rust. It carries a clean title and strong visual presence. Number 13. 1969 Buick Rivera, $25,000, Riverside, California. This 1969 Buick Rivera is equipped with a high-performance 430 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a 700R4 automatic transmission. It has received extensive mechanical and electrical upgrades and remains nearly complete. The body is solid and rust-free with only minor paint imperfections. Known for its rarity and styling, this Riviera stands out as a premium classic. Number 14. 1962 Pontiac Bonneville, $21,000, Cypress, California. This 1962 Pontiac Bonneville is powered by a 389 cubic inch V8 paired with a 700R4 transmission. It features power windows, air conditioning, star-wire wheels, clean upholstery, and an aftermarket airbag suspension. Showing 74,000 miles, it runs and drives well but has been sitting. With a clean California title and current registration, this Bonneville remains a strong, full-size classic.